Monday, Memorial Day. Sorry. Probably either 119 or 153. And then Greenville. Possibly 119. You can see it raining on Harris Mountain. 94.66. 86, I think. 92.24. That was like an ST70. Excuse me, handbrake. Got a handbrake? 2651 and ST70 van. 9224-940 CW. Interesting how they change the horsepower in the units and everything. The 9286 edition 44 CW and 9224, which is a -940 CW. Anderson ST60M 2651. What is going on with the handbrake there? Yep, I shut this train down until 8:30, I think what he said. 270M-2. Southern covered hopper. Well, I shouldn't say unscathed. It's been graffitiized, as have been the Norfolk Southern hoppers. 2 of the 3 here. And it's Memorial Day 2016, the 30th of May 2017. Monday. Here's God. Yep, they're shutting down till 8:30. A little more than an hour from now. Anyway, it's going to be dark by that time. Well, at least you got to see a train, a real one, before we saw the GP30, CSX Jeep30 at Mutts, and now you see this train. So, the ST70M-2 looks really smart. 9224 has had a turbocharger fire, obviously. As you can see by the burn marks on the side. Yep. It's a -40C standard. I mean, W, I should say, wishful thinking. Wishful thinking. And the signal, of course, is red, amber, and red. Red because this train, the signal being green. Actually, no, it's red, the opposite direction. This train is finished this day, 8:30. They'll be heading south again. We're indoor switching the yard. That's one of the auto rack cars that 237 dropped off the other day with being offloaded. I don't think there's any vehicles in there right now, but anyway, 237 was brought in and dropped off all the auto rack car. I can talk straight today. Yep, she's empty. Well, I think, yeah. And again, 9486, 9224, and 2651. It's train 119, and we'll be heading south in a little while after dark. Anyway, praise God. We got a decent thunder shower, and now looks like it's trying to clear up a little bit. But anyway, Al and I got to go a little bit. A little unusual, you don't see the crew chain, but of course this is Memorial Day. So praise God.